Click on the Help link and you will be taken to a huge collection of valuable resources for the virtual lab. There are the 5 Quick Start videos you are now watching, along with a series of 29 how-to videos that demonstrate the skills you will be called on to master as you work your way through the course. This is followed by the VU Micro Library, which holds books of information about antibiotics, biochemical tests you will do in the lab, media used for doing those tests, reagents and stains for testing and microscopy, and descriptions of all 124 microbes used in the VU Micro online lab. Need instructions to do or interpret a test? Need more information about what's in a medium or where a microbe is typically found? The library has all the answers. Please note that some of the content in these books reflects features not currently supported in the software, but which are scheduled to be added as our development work continues.